What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to give you just a little bit of what you can expect on this show. All right, expect me talking about crypto, expect me talking about traveling. You're also going to learn all my secrets, my tips to being plant-based and doing it very elegantly, doing it to the point where people will think that you went to a 5-star school and you learn from one of the top chefs in the world. That's the kind of content I'm gonna bring to you. I want you to understand that the content that we're gonna have on this show is gonna be all kinds of things, including plant-based cooking, living, farmers markets. Just giving you all the tips and tricks you need to really thrive and really succeed at being more plant-based. So if you're a novice, if you're just starting out, if you're a pro, if you're a seasoned veteran, if you know how to throw down in the kitchen, you're always welcome to this show, because this is going to be a place where you are guaranteed to see things that are unique. It's going to push the envelope in terms of things that you might not have thought can go well together, because I'm all about mixing cultures, cuisines, ingredients, and really coming up with something delicious. So join me on this epic journey of being more plant-based, where we're gonna have lots of fun. You might see me dance, you might see my kids, you might see my wife come on here, but it's gonna be all about family, good vibes, good eating, delicious food, and yeah, I will see you soon.